So if you're having suction issues, you should probably try replacing your valves. The valves are the little triangle pieces that are found at the bottom of the flange. Whenever you go to take the valves off, get as close to the base as possible. Do not yank them by the tip. This right here is the valve. There are spare valves packaged with your pump underneath the locking ring and disc. If you do not find any valves underneath the locking ring and disc, it could be very well that they were packaged in their own separate bag. It would be with all your parts and pieces. If you are needing to purchase some more valves, you can purchase them on Ameda.com. We recommend that you stick to Ameda branded valves. Ameda branded valves come 2 per package, like this. Do not use the knockoffs. The knockoffs do not work well with the pump, and they might actually create suction problems with your pump.